Revolutionary, patent-pending design, QuickFit and SimpleWire technologies offer groundbreaking home automation features. Unique advancements make the smart controls easier to install and more reliable than ever. QuickFit. Improved components reduced the housing depth by up to 20% compared to previous Z-Wave models and eliminated the need for heat tabs. QuickFit enhancements are the ideal smart solution for older-style switchboxes, multi-gang configurations or any other application with limited space. SimpleWire. Auto-detecting line, load terminals support fast installation by identifying line and load wires and configuring the switch accordingly. Dual ground ports, which are offset to avoid switchbox mounting screws, support daisy chaining in multi-switch setups. Voice control. Enjoy the convenience of voice control with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa when connected through a compatible Z-Wave hub. Switch upgrade. Easily replace any standard in-wall switch equipped with a neutral wire to remotely turn on, off and create schedules for a wide range of fixtures. Top reviews from the United States. Great solution to getting my outdoor porch lights connected to my SmartThings. I have a front porch light that uses LED candelabra bulbs, and even though you can buy those bulbs as smart bulbs, the look of them isn't that great. So this smart switch was the perfect solution to get that porch light and those bulbs onto my SmartThings and on a schedule. A little pricey, sure, but well worth it to have important house lights connected to your smart home.